your PC is constantly at risk from viruses, malware, and cyber threats. In 2025, cyber attacks are more advanced than ever, and having the right antivirus is a must. But which one should you use? And how do you install and set it up correctly? In this video, I'll show you the top antivirus software for 2025 and guide you step by step on how to install and configure it to keep your PC 100% secure. Let's get started. Each of these offers strong security, but which one is right for you? If you want complete protection, go for Norton or Bitdefender. If you need a free option, Avast is a great choice. McAfee is best for firewall and real-time scanning, while TotalAV gives premium features at a lower price. Now, let's install and set up an antivirus step by step. Step 1. Download the antivirus. Visit the official website of your chosen antivirus. Click on Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Step 2. Install the software. Open the downloaded file and run the installer. Click Next and follow on-screen instructions. Accept the terms and wait for installation to complete. Step 3. Activate the antivirus. If you bought a premium version, enter your activation key. Free users can start with the trial or free version. Step 4. Run your first scan. Open the antivirus dashboard. Click on Full Scan to check for any malware or threats. Step 5. Enable real-time protection. Go to Settings and enable real-time protection. Turn on firewall and web protection for full security. Boom! Your PC is now fully protected against viruses and hackers. But wait, there's one more thing. Here are 3 quick cybersecurity tips. Keep your antivirus updated. Outdated software won't catch new viruses. Avoid suspicious emails and links. Phishing attacks are getting smarter. Use a VPN. Protect your data when using public Wi-Fi. And that's it. Your PC is now safe and secure. Which antivirus do you use? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next one.